is the GeoGebra software. Now this is the coordinate system, XY coordinate system. So first of all, you mark pivot A and its position is origin. Okay. Now again you mark pivot D, that is ten comma 0, right? Now, so you rename the point B by D. Okay. Now you take circle command, center with radius, center as point A and radius, that is 7, as it gives length of AB, link AB, right? Now you mark intersection point of x-axis and this circle. So you will get two intersection points. One is B, right? So by clicking this, B will get vanish. Okay. Now take slider, define that angle, which is the input motion for input link AB, and that is in the form of angle. So minimum angle here you specify. So as we have decided in the presentation, that is 40 and 69.5. 40 and 69.5. Okay, and here you name it, it is theta. So you change by taking theta. So here is the slider. Here you will observe it varies. It varies between 40 degree to 69.5 degree. Okay. Now you assign this angle, this angular position to AC link, right, which is input 1, right? So using this command, angle with given size, first choose point C and then choose A. Means what? C will revolve with angle theta about A. Now what is that notation? It is theta, which we have considered theta, and say it is counterclockwise, right? So it is been observed. Now you will observe this position. Okay. Here you will observe that position. Here. Now, by clicking this position of C, it will get disappear. Circle we do not want, right? And point C dash, you change it, rename it, making it B point. Now you are getting A, B as input link. So you join these 2 points by line using line command with segment syntax, right? So AB is joined. Again, you take circle command with center B point and radius say 3, that is length of BC. Again, take circle command choosing center D with radius 7, which represents length of CD. Now here you are observing intersection of these two circles. You mark it, choosing select both circles. Here you are observing two intersection points of two circles, F and E. So we are interested in F. So remove or deselect E, right? Where now you join, rename it that F point as C, right? Right. Now again use that line command with segment. So here we have completed A, B, C, D. Okay. Now deselect circle D and E. Now if you change the slider for theta, here you are observing the mechanism, which is a rocker mechanism, right? As you are shifting the position of AB between 40 degree to 69.5 degree, that mechanism also exhibits, right? Now mark point P, which is midpoint of which is nothing but which lies on this link BC, right? Now you mark perpendicular line, right? You take midpoint of BC first, right? That is F point, okay? And then you draw perpendicular line, perpendicular from through this point F to line BC, right? So intersection of this perpendicular line and x-axis, you mark a point, right? G. Okay, we are interested in point G basically, right? Now use line segment. Okay. Now rename that point G using point by point P. Okay. I'm deleting which extra. Okay. Now that perpendicular line, I will deselect. I will also deselect point F. So this is what our mechanism, that is Robert's straight line mechanism, which you are observing. It produces straight line path, which is traced by this point P, right? No. I will apply trace, show trace point, show trace for point P. Okay. Right. I mean, and I also add thickness to these lines, which represents bar. That is what 4-bar mechanism. Bar, it is nothing but plate, rod, right? We are using instead of line, right? So you add thickness to each line, which represents that plate as nothing but 4-bar mechanism, right? Now click on AB, go for setting, choose colors. If I choose red color, go for style and increase that thickness 13 and line opacity, make it 80. Okay. Now choose link BC, choose again next color, say blue, choose line thickness as 13 and opacity say 80. So same for PC, make it thickness 13, color the same, that is blue. Okay, same line BP, which is blue color, make it line thickness 13, opacity 80, and link CD, I will go for green color. Apply line thickness 13, opacity 80. Okay. Then if I apply theta, so here that theta is there, go for setting. So go for setting. In setting, there is option repeat. How it should repeat? That is oscillating itself. Okay, you just check that. Now you apply animation. Now you will observe that point as mechanism moves, takes different position. That point P traces straight line path. Point P traces straight line path, right? So this is nothing but Robert's straight line mechanism. So I hope you had understood how to make Robert's straight line mechanism using GeoGebra software. So thank you very much for viewing this video.